Hello friends, today I will tell you how you can create the OpenAI API keys so that you can utilize in your LLM model. So first we will go to the platform.openai.com. This is the website from where you can create it. So just click on the sign up if you are a new user. Once you click on this, you will redirect it to this site. This page where you have to give your email address, or if you are a Gmail, you want to go with a Gmail account or Outlook, you can select any one of it. So I'm going for with my Gmail account. So I'm selecting my default Gmail account that is connected. Once you click on this, you have to give some details about yourself. So this is the details I am entering here, and I'm going to click on the continue button. So interesting puzzle will start here. So just solve these puzzles and you will be pointed to give your mobile numbers, and it will give you a verification code. Once your verification code is done, now you will be in with your home page. This is the page from where you can start creating your API. So just click on this personal. You can see here, when you click on this personal option, you will see view API keys is there. So just click on the view API key. Now you will see here there is an option for create a new secret key. So this is the place from where you can create your API keys. So just click on this. Now you will be asked to give your secret key name. So just this will be the option one. You can give your name and click on the create a secret key. So once you click on this button, you will get again one puzzles, and you just have to solve it out, and then you will be seeing that your key is generated. You just need to copy it down and click on the done. Now this is how you can create your API key and just utilize it in your LLM model. I hope you will understand this. Thanks.